very excited to learn how to poach a pear.
Yeah, you can
never
poach
done
different
that
kinds
before.
of fruit, and I think it's a nice alternative that's not straight sugar when you want something sweet.
So we're going to start with a few sticks of cinnamon.
Okay,
Okay.
We're going to add some honey, the vanilla extract,
okay.
and water. Just going to bring that to a boil and then add the pears. And then I'm going to cut the pears and put them in the poaching liquid.
Okay.
Okay, so you don't put them in whole, you're going to cut
Yeah,
them
we're
up.
going to cut them and take the seeds out.
And so what are some health benefits to pears?
You're getting your vitamin C. Vitamin C can help with wound healing, so as little kids are starting to walk around, you want to make sure they have good vitamin C in their diet. Also, pears tend to be a winter type of fruit, so you might not be able to get them all year round, but in the winter, having plenty of vitamin C in your diet from an infection standpoint is always good to have,
And when
too.
can you introduce pears to your
You
children?
know, it's one of the first foods, so around
Is
that
it?
6 months of age, from a texture standpoint for a 6-month-old, you just want to make sure it's not like a chunk of uncooked pear, but as I'm sure Chef is going to cook it, it's going to poach down into something that's soft and
soft,
easy to take.
Absolutely.